Start by selecting a high-quality, well-marbled cut of beef, such as chuck or shoulder, for the best flavor and texture. Cut the beef into small, evenly sized cubes. This will help the meat to cook quickly and evenly. Season the beef with salt, pepper, and paprika, which is the key ingredient in goulash. Heat a large pot or Dutch oven over medium-high heat and add some oil to the pot. Add the beef to the pot and brown it on all sides. This will help to develop a rich, deep flavor in the goulash. Once the beef is browned, remove it from the pot and set it aside. Add some onions, garlic, and other vegetables, such as carrots or peppers, to the pot and sauté them until they are softened. Return the beef to the pot and add some beef broth or water. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cover the pot with a lid. Let the goulash simmer for 2 to 3 hours, or until the beef is tender and the sauce has thickened. Season the goulash with salt, pepper, and additional paprika to taste. Serve the goulash hot, with a side of dumplings or bread, and a sprinkle of chopped parsley. Enjoy!